how securities, contracts, and currencies are traded in order driven, code driven, and brokered markets. Okay, so security trading in secondary market have encouraged the secondary market to structure it. Okay, and the security market are structured in two ways. First is the call market, and second is the continuous market. In call market, what happens here, securities are traded at specific times. Okay, and they are highly liquid when the session is in, that is when the this like traders will be available, when all the traders will be available, and so it is highly liquid when it is in between the session. Okay, and in continuous market, trading can happen at any point of time when the market is open. Okay, now we will see the code driven market. Here the traders, they transact with the dealers, okay, who provide the bid ask price, and dealers are having the inventory of securities. This market is otherwise called as over the counter or dealers market. Example of the securities that are traded in this market are, apart from stocks, all kinds of securities are traded here. Now we will see the order driven market. Okay, in order driven market, here orders are executed with trading rules. Okay, trading rules are important here, as this traders are anonymous in nature, and the example of order driven market are exchanges and automated trading system. Here the trading rules, okay, trading rules are of two types, that is option this order matching rule, okay, order matching rule, and trading pricing rule, trade pricing rule. Under this order matching rule, there comes one pricing priority. Okay, and it is a rule, it is applicable for those trades where the buying price, okay, or the bid price is highest and the selling price or ask price is lowest. Okay, so that is the pricing priority rule. And in trade pricing rule comes two types of pricing. One is the uniform price, second is the discriminatory pricing. In uniform pricing is applicable for those orders having a single price, and discriminatory price, it limits the pricing, for the orders that have come first, okay, that have arrived first for the trade. Now we will see the brokered markets. Here brokers, they find their counterparties for the trading, and these securities are highly liquid and unique in nature. Example is real estate, artwork, and bulk amount of stocks, etc. Okay, so that is about order driven, brokered market, and code driven market. Thank you very much.